Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetable cupcakes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of finely grated vegetables such as carrots, zucchini, or spinach. For the dry mix, measure out 1½ cups of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then, prepare your wet ingredients: 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of milk. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour and baking powder until well combined. In another bowl, thoroughly mix the oil, eggs, and milk. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring gently until just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cupcakes tough. Finally, fold in your 1 cup of grated vegetables, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the batter. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. Line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. Carefully spoon the batter into each liner, filling them approximately 2/3 full. This ensures they rise beautifully without overflowing. Bake for about 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, and the tops are a lovely golden brown. Once baked, let your delicious veggie cupcakes cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes. This helps them set before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For a sweet touch, you could add a light cream cheese frosting. Alternatively, for a savory option, consider a sprinkle of herbs or a dollop of hummus. Enjoy these versatile and healthy treats warm or at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.